That's all we need in the world. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, today I'm in Culpeper, Virginia at the Amtrak station. It's kind of gloomy, it's raining right now, not very hard, but still bearable to come out here and do some train spotting. We'll walk around the station here since it's, like I said, it's the first time I've been here, and see what we can see, and hopefully some trains come by here pretty soon. Came around to the front, got this Southern X543 caboose. And we're going to take a look in the station here. Hopefully we can get in. Well, the caboose is closed, but here's a good inside. But right there to the left, you can see the toilet. And there's a sign that says, "Caution, toilet will not operate properly without 60 pounds on the train line gauge." Well, that was interesting. I didn't see that one coming. Just a lone power unit, and I missed it because I was running around to the front. Then I had to come back here real quick. Well, I went inside the building to check on Amtrak, and they're running like 5 hours late, and I'm not going to sit here for 5 hours waiting on Amtrak. But we did catch a NS train, so that's pretty cool. But just we'll take a walk down the platform here, and I'll tell you a little bit about the building. So in 1852, the Orange and Alexandria Railroad built 2 tracks at this location, one on the east side of the track for freight and one on the west side of the track for passengers. Both the Union and Confederate armies used the original depot for the telegraph, transportation, and supplies. Although these buildings survived the Civil War, including the Battle of Culpeper Courthouse on September 13, 1863, the occupation and fighting took their toll. In 1874, a new depot was built, which burned in 1903. The present building was built years later in 1904. Years of subsequent decline led Norfolk Southern Railroad to request permission in 1985 to demolish portions of the depot. A committee was formed to save and renovate the building. The project was complete back in 2003. And right across from the tracks, let me zoom in a little bit if I can. That cemetery over there is the National Cemetery of Culpeper, and it's pretty big. It goes way back beyond those trees over there. Well, I was hoping to get a little more train action, but we did catch a couple Norfolk Southerns. I was wanting to get a Amtrak, but like I said earlier, it's running like 5 hours late, and I wasn't really going to hang around. So I think that's going to do it from Culpeper, Virginia. And on that note, of course, it stopped raining now. Travelers saying, see you by the rails.